Hello, this is Jan with Bluesbird Toys again. This time I have a smaller toy. It's called the Knocker. It's also all construction of stainless steel. It's a simple little toy, but it's got the beads and the washers on top. It's on 19 millimeter by 3.4 millimeter O-rings, welded. So when you jingle it, the thing knocks against the pan, the dish. The diameter is 5 inches diameter, and it's about one inch depth. So this is called the Knocker. Thank you.